Look at the bedroom. It is 6 o'clock in the morning. Is it time to wake up? For Mark, yes. For Sarah, no. Mark is awake and alert. He is a morning person. But look at Sarah. She would like to sleep more. Notice the bed. Mark's side is perfect and tidy. Sarah's side is a bit messy. They live together now, but they are very different. Suddenly, a sound. Beep, beep, beep. It is Sarah's alarm. Does Sarah get out of bed? No. She hits the snooze button. 5 minutes later, beep, beep, beep. She hits the snooze button again. Mark is sitting up now. He is ready to start his morning routine. But Sarah wants to sleep for 10 more minutes. She is like a lump under the covers. Mark walks into the bathroom. He stops. He can't believe his eyes. Yesterday, the bathroom counter was clean. Today, the counter is covered in bottles. There is hairspray, face cream, and all kinds of makeup in colorful tubes and brushes. Is this Mark's stuff? Of course not. It belongs to Sarah. Sarah's messy energy is moving into the bathroom. Mark needs his toothbrush. He looks for it, but it is hiding. It is next to a giant pink bottle of lotion. Mark has to move the bottle very carefully. If he drops one bottle, it will make a big mess. It is like a minefield. Mark is a doctor. He likes precision, but this bathroom is chaos. Mark is finally in the shower. He is relaxing and enjoying the hot water and steam. But then the door opens. Sarah walks in. She isn't looking at Mark. She is looking for her hairbrush. She is in a hurry. Mark is surprised and a little annoyed. Sarah, I am in the shower, he says. Sarah says, sorry, but she takes her brush and leaves. Mark just sighs. In the hallway, Sarah is searching for her clothes. They are still living in boxes. Sarah is digging through a big cardboard box. She throws a sweater here and a sock there. She can't find her favorite blue blouse. She is becoming frantic because she is late for work. Mark doesn't like the mess. Now we are in the kitchen. Mark is in his happy place. He is making coffee, but he doesn't just make it, he measures it. He uses a digital scale to weigh the beans. He wants exactly 20 grams. He is focused. The kitchen is quiet and organized. This is how Mark likes to start his day. But the peace does not last. Sarah arrives. She is thirsty and she is in a rush. She sees the kettle. Is there hot water? Yes. She takes the kettle and pours all the water into a giant mug for her tea. She smiles and says, "Good morning, Mark." Mark looks at the empty kettle. His perfect coffee plan is ruined. Oh. Mark decides that they need rules. He goes to his desk and creates a document. Then he laminates it. He shows Sarah the house schedule. It has a plan for the bathroom, a plan for the kitchen, and a plan for cleaning. Mark looks very proud. He thinks this will solve all their problems. Does Sarah think the schedule is a good idea? No. She looks at the paper and starts to laugh. She thinks Mark is being too serious. A schedule for the bathroom? That's hilarious, she says. Mark is not laughing. He feels offended. He is holding his schedule tight. He is serious, but Sarah thinks it's a joke. Finally, they sit down together. They are both calm now. Mark has his coffee and Sarah has her tea. Mark is wearing his tidy pajamas. But look, he has Sarah's colorful, messy blanket on his lap. And Sarah and he look at the schedule together. They are very different people, but they are learning how to live together. It is a messy, tidy compromise. So what about you? Are you a morning person like Mark? Or do you hit the snooze button like Sarah? Tell me in the comments. I love reading your comments. If you enjoyed this episode, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. See you in episode 3 for more of Sarah and Mark's adventures. Bye-bye.